One more word problem from the chapter linear equation in two variables. The question says that there are two classrooms, A and B. If 10 students are sent from A to B, the number of students in each class becomes the same. Now, after shifting the number of students, they have equal. If 20 students are transferred from or sent from B to A, then the number of students becomes, in that case, the section A will have double the number of students of section B. We have to find the number of students in each case. So first you can see that I've already taken the number of students, let's say in section A or class A as X number of students, and that of class B has Y number of students. Now, case one, when it says that 10 students are sent from A to B. Now we can say that section A has X number of students and 10 number of students are sent from section A to B. So clearly the number of students in section A will decrease by 10 and the number of students in section B will increase by 10. Now, after shifting these students, they find that both classes after shifting, right? After shifting, the number of students in class A is this and the number of students in class B is this. They say it is equal. That's why we can place an equal to sign in between them. So we got this one relation and we can further write in the standard form transposing y to the left. So it is x minus y, transposing 10 to the other side. So we got one relation as x plus x minus y is equal to 20, because this, when you transpose on the other side, it is minus 10 will become plus 10. And therefore x plus y, x minus y is equal to 20. Now we got this first relation and we'll mark this as say equation 1. Now, if I read the later part, it says that when 20 students are transferred from B to A, so this is section A, B. So 20 students are transferred from B to A. So clearly now A will have 20 more students. That means X will have, this is number of students in class A will now be 20. And since it is 20 students have been transferred, so the number of students in class B, which was originally Y, will now become Y minus 2. Later it says that in that case, the A will have twice the number of students of B. That means after shifting, the number of students in A, which is this, is twice the number of students in section B. Now, what we can do here, similarly, we can simplify this one. On simplification, we'll first open the bracket here. Say this is x plus 20 is equal to, this becomes 2y minus 2 into 20 is 40. Further, we can write this 2y to the left-hand side. So it becomes x minus 2y. And if I transpose this 20 on the other side, it becomes minus 40 and minus 20 will give you minus 60. So this we got as the second equation for this case. Now, once we obtain the second equation, what we are going to do is elimination method to solve this. So we have first equation as x minus y is equal to 20, and the second as x minus 2y is equal to minus 60. Now we can see that we have the same coefficient for x. So we'll be subtracting. On subtracting, we reverses the sign. So we got here that x and minus x get cancelled here. So this is minus y plus 2y is what? Y minus y plus 2y is y. And this is 20 plus 60 is 80. So we got the number of students in section B, that is y is equal to. So we got y as 80 here. Now we have to get x also. So for that, I can plug in the value of y in this first equation. So replacing y, so x is x only, replacing y, this y I'm replacing with the value that is 80 is equal to 20. So x is equal to 20 on transposing it to the other side. So we got x is equal to 20 plus 80, that is 100. So this is the number of students in section A, that is 100. So you should write down the final statement that the number of students in section A is 100 and that of number of students in section B is 80.